Yes. Yes, it is. Yes, it is the Lasko Galaxy B20 200 with the royal blue blade that came out of the B20 308. Yep, I did. I did a blade swap again off camera. The blade that was in this one is now in that one. I took the royal blue blade out of that one and put it in this one. So now that one looks really cool. Royal blue cabinet, white top. White handle with the white knob. And then you got the white blade. Lasko should have did it like that. That's super cool. That is super cool. And it works real good. Tested it out. And they should have done the 3733s or the Galaxies like this. That's how they should have did it. It's got the royal blue blade. It's got the loud startup sound. It's got the gray cabinet, the white guards, the white handle, and the white knob. So there you go. Let's test it out. Is it on its feet? No. It's not on its feet because it's very stable and it's very balanced, well balanced. Well balanced meaning it's not going to rock back and forth, shake too bad where it'll fall over. Just a little bit of shaking. Yeah, that's to be expected, but nothing that's going to make the fan fall over right to put it on its feet. With that beautiful wine. The wine is real beautiful and low. I'll spin it back up to high and then we're going to spin it down. Here's the spin down from high speed. It's got a pretty decent spin down time. And there you go. Well, there you go. There is my B20 200 Lasko Galaxy box fan with the royal blue blade from the B20 308. Am I going to let this blade stay like this? Yes, I am. This is going to be a permanent change. The other two Lasko B20 200s or Galaxy will stay normal. Stay regular with the white blade. All right, there you go. Let's put it back on because it's hot. And there's wine. There's a startup sound. There you go. All right, thanks for watching. More videos to come soon. Rate, comment, subscribe, share, love, and like. Lamont the Fan Man. And out.